Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing today is top 10 flowering plants for hanging baskets. Hanging plant basket bring an unmatched elegance to an area, be it outdoors or indoors. Flowering plants look especially chic when planted in hanging baskets. Below is a list of top 10 flowering plants you can select for your hanging baskets. Petunia. These colorful blossoms bring joy wherever they are. These sun loving plants are perfect to bring a pop of bold color to any area. These plants are relatively easy to maintain and only require occasional watering along with general care. Moss rose, Portulaca or moss rose is a great plant variety to grow if you live in a hot and dry region. These tiny flowers come in a variety of colors and are super easy to maintain. All they need is direct sunlight and occasional watering in order to thrive. Geranium. These low maintenance plants are perfect for any hanging basket found in array of different colors. They can fit in any kind of space with grace. All they need is moderate amount of sunlight, deep watering and well drained soil. Fuchsia. These delicate looking flowers add elegance like no other. These plants are easily infected by bugs, so make sure you keep them safe. They require moderate amount of sun and water. Impatient. These flowers look adorable in hanging basket and are perfect if you are looking to hang your basket indoors. Found in red, pinks, yellows, purples and whites. These summer blossoms are great addition of color to any living space. They require minimal care. Just place them in an area that receives moderate sunlight and keep soil moist at all times. Lantana. Lantana are lovely to have as they blossom for a very long time. Extremely easy to maintain, lantanas thrive in almost all conditions. The best conditions are full sun and well drained acidic soil. Begonia. These waxy blooms add an interesting aspect to your garden. These annuals give many blooms in their lifetime as long as proper care is provided. Make sure the soil remains moist but not wet. This is an important part in their care. Place them in a sunny spot to get the best blooms. Sweet Alsam. These busy flowers are great to fill an empty void in your living space and will leave your space with a sweet fragrance. These are very prone to pest and disease, so take proper care of that. Water regularly and provide partial amount of sunlight. Verbena. These long lasting summer blooms will survive even in extreme heat. Select a spot that receives at least 10 hours of sunlight. Use well draining soil to get the healthiest plant. Water occasionally. Pansy. These peculiarly sheep plants will add some character to living space or garden. These are easy to maintain. Just remember to water them regularly and apply general fertilizer. Pansies only require moderate amount of sunlight. If you are new to my channel and you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and also add a comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.